Look, Saba, this is the Red Square.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Is that the Kremlin?
Yes, that's the Moscow Kremlin. Let's go to the museum. Извините, где касса?
Касса там, прямо.
Спасибо большое. He said the ticket office is straight ahead. Come on. Здравствуйте. 2 билета в Кремль, пожалуйста. Здравствуйте, с вас 1000 рублей. Вот, пожалуйста, ваши билеты. Приятного просмотра. How much was it? 1,000 rubles for both of us.
Look at this! We are finally inside the Grand Kremlin Palace. It's absolutely breathtaking. I feel like I've stepped into a fairy tale. The Russian word for palace is Dvorец. It definitely looks like a royal dvorец.
Извините, пожалуйста, где здесь можно получить информацию о Кремле?
Посмотрите туда, направо. Там есть экскурсовод около колокола.
Спасибо. That's the tour guide giving information. Let's go and join them. Let's go! Посмотрите налево. Это царь-колокол, самый большой колокол в мире. What did she say? She said to look to the left. That's the Tsar bell, the biggest bell in the world.
Now it's time to review new words together.
Красная площадь, Red Square. Дворец, Palace. Касса, ticket office. Билет, ticket. Колокол, bell. Самый большой, the biggest. В мире, in the world. Прямо means straight. Направо means to the right. Налево means to the left. Экскурсовод means tour guide. Гид means guide. So these are two Russian words that basically mean the same thing. Извините means excuse me. Где means where. Спасибо большое means thank you very much. Great job! Now you know these phrases.
Our Kremlin tour was amazing, and we learned some great words today. But where are Saba and I going next? You'll have to wait and see in the next episode. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Keep practicing your vocabulary, and see you soon. До свидания.